Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a social bookmarking backlink. So main thing, this website having a great traffic source, heavy traffic source and the high quality authority. So the website name is heylink.me. So this is the website dashboard, and before that we can research something about that website. So according to HREF, the domain rating is 91, and according to Moj, the domain authority 89, and the spam score is only 1%. And you guys can see this website having 186.3 million monthly visitors, and mostly traffic from Indonesia, Turkey, Thailand, USA and India. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability and traffic source, traffic from that kind of country, so must you guys have to create your social bookmarking backlink on that website. So we have completed our research process, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so you can hit the subscribe and like button. So you can see this is the dashboard. There is a start for free button. You can click over there, and there you guys can put your email ID. Then you guys can choose your password, username and your password, and you guys have to click for the sign up button. Before that, you can verify your profile. Okay, so simply you guys can click for the appearance section, and there you guys can update your avatar. And if you're wanting to update your URL, so you guys can do from there now. And this is another thing, but this is for the pro version. Okay, and so simply you guys can click for the link section, and there you guys can add your website URL, and you guys have to click for the add new link. And if you wanting, so you can update your main keyword over there. So best, and if you want, then you guys can also update your social bookmarking URLs also from there now. Okay, and only these options we are having. Lock details, if you want, then you can lock your details, move to top, schedule and the effect. And after that, what we can do, you can go for the social section. There you guys can add your social handles. You guys have to click for, and the next is Twitter. There are too many options, so you can add your social handles. So let me search LinkedIn, and there I can go to add. And the next is Facebook We haven't yet Facebook, na? Facebook is there. And you guys can see we have added all the details. And the next thing is a gallery. So you guys will also add your Insta feed, image slider, and the YouTube slider. So let me check. Insta feed, no gallery yet. New gallery. Okay, so Jobma gallery and the inactive look like you don't have any Instagram accounts connected. Please connect your Instagram account. Okay, so before that we can connect our Instagram account. So let me. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. We'll do these things later. So add a menu price list, crypto, locations. So there is another option to we can add our location. So I have so simply I can add my location. Let me check. So you guys can see I have added my location details and its thing can going to appear on over there. And the next is commerce, but the thing is not important. Integration, add integration, yeah. So from there you guys can add your Instagram. Next, you can click for the next. You can connect with Instagram. Okay, so they can asking you to, this is, I think this is not a require. I think we verified our profile now. So why this message? Okay. So you can see, and for the last, this is our hyperlink, and we'll check in incognito. So you can see this is our main URL, and another thing is this is our first bookmarking backlink, and all the details, all the social handles. This is our location details. And if you guys can start adding your multiple backlinks, so you guys can see from there you guys will add your all details. Okay, so from there you guys can add a multiple social bookmarking backlink. So this is a process for the backlink creation, social bookmarking backlink creation. And if you guys can click from there now, so you can see this is a UTM parameter. But the thing is, you guys can create your social bookmarking backlink, and the main thing, this is this website having a great authority and heavy traffic source. So most you guys can consider this website for the social bookmarking and the profile creation to increase your website domain authority and the traffic and the many things. Okay. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details for the description section. So from there you guys can connect me easily. So and for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.